Welcome to another insightful video where we will be tackling the topic of precision maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the benefits and intricacies of precision maintenance. We'll be exploring how it differs from other maintenance types, its impact on production and downtime, and how it could be the key to optimizing your maintenance culture. Stick around to discover how precision maintenance can increase machine reliability and enhance your operations. Let's dive right into the concept of precision maintenance. So what is it exactly? Unlike other maintenance types like preventive or predictive maintenance that focus on specific schedules or tasks, precision maintenance is all about the culture of maintenance in a facility. It's a plan that involves performing maintenance work in a consistent, precise, and industry-accepted way. The goal here is that the maintenance should yield the exact same results no matter who is performing the work. Imagine a scenario where there's a machine with a preventive maintenance task scheduled every week on a Monday. On some Mondays, the machine works great and production runs smoothly. But on other Mondays, the machine breaks down multiple times and slows production to a halt. The reason for these problems? Different people are performing maintenance without a consistent plan to follow. This lack of consistency leads to different outcomes, which ultimately impacts production. But if we apply a precision maintenance plan to this scenario, things change. Every maintenance technician performs the preventive maintenance in the exact same way, using the same industry-standard tools in the most precise manner they can. They follow documented instructions and use the highest-grade materials available. The result? Regardless of the technician on shift, the machine runs with no problems. In fact, because it's being maintained at its highest operating quality, production speed even increases. For a precision maintenance plan to work, a facility needs to have a few things in place. First, educated and highly trained employees. Second, a well-regimented preventive or predictive maintenance plan. Third, a simple and effective workflow for maintenance employees to follow. Fourth, tested and documented maintenance procedure. And finally, regular improvements to process, design, and repair. So, how does precision maintenance decrease downtime? It's simple. Precision maintenance ensures that each and every piece of equipment runs at its theoretical maximum efficiency. The aim is to increase machine reliability, meaning that equipment breakdowns happen far less frequently when they're maintained to high standards. Less reactive maintenance needs to be performed because the equipment is up for longer. Let's take a vehicle as an example. If the owner always waits until the last second to perform maintenance, uses low-quality oil, and lets things break before fixing them, the vehicle's performance reflects this poor maintenance. But if the owner performs precision maintenance by using high-quality oil and fixes issues the moment they appear, the vehicle runs well. In theory, the well-maintained vehicle could last years longer than the poorly maintained vehicle, saving the owner time and money. Because precision maintenance has a less specific definition, it can be applied across a wide range of industries and pieces of equipment. This means that it's up to the facility to decide what precision maintenance means for their equipment. What is precise for one machine might not be the same for another. Here are some general examples of precision maintenance in action. An operating environment that's clean and free from contamination, high-quality lubricant materials, well-tuned machine vibrations, installed parts that meet strict specifications, and tuned rotating parts that are true to center. An example in practice could be torque. If the nuts in a machine require a specific torque to lower vibration, the nuts should always be torqued to this exact specification. A precision maintenance plan would have these numbers documented so technicians never have to guess. Instead, they can reference the plan and torque to the precise number. In addition to reducing downtime, precision maintenance plans have some other benefits. They create a positive maintenance culture, ensure the longest possible equipment lifespan, increase production via machine reliability, create a team of skilled and highly trained employees, and continuously improve process efficiency. In conclusion, when implemented properly, a precision maintenance plan can be a huge asset in reducing downtime and increasing production levels. However, it requires careful planning, rigorous documentation, and skilled employees to perform maintenance work at its highest possible level. Thank you for watching this video where we've explored the concept of precision maintenance and its benefits, including increased machine reliability, reduced downtime, and enhanced operational efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about precision maintenance and other maintenance strategies, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, Precision maintenance is a journey, not a destination. Let UpKeep be your guide on this journey.